Imagine a painting. Every line, every shadow on the face whispers a story. But the brush strokes telling this story are born not from the dim workshops of the 17th century, but from your screen today. I am Sera, and today we are reconstructing classical oil painting art with Stable Diffusion. This is not a how-to video. This is the art of whispering the soul of a painter to artificial intelligence. We will bring traditional techniques to the digital canvas, and I will reveal every step, every secret to you. Are you ready? Then light the candles because we are going to play with light and shadow. Now, let's turn Stable Diffusion into a painter's palette. To capture classical art, we first prepare our canvas. Dramatic shadows of the Renaissance or soft color transitions of Impressionism. Today, I'm going for the Baroque style. Think of Caravaggio's sharp play of light. I'm pulling the sampling steps to 50 because detail is our friend. CFG scale, 7.5, we don't want artificial intelligence to be too modern. For style, I'm adding art style and Baroque oil painting. For the color palette, I'm aiming for warm, earthy color palette, rich and deep colors. As for the model, I'm choosing Painter's Checkpoint oil paint, a model specifically trained for oil paintings, and as Loras, I'm selecting SDXL detail and SDXL oil painting because our artist model is an SDXL. This artist model reflects brush strokes, color blends, and the traditional oil painting classic texture onto the canvas very well. These two Loras are compatible with SDXL models. SDXL detail Lora is designed to increase the level of detail effect in the scene, clarifying details, facial features, light and shadow transitions. SDXL oil painting Lora further enriches the oil painting texture, providing a layered look. For resolution, I'm setting width, 1216 x 832. I'm activating Higher's Fix and selecting Upscaler 2x Real Esigan x4+, then setting Denoising Strength to 0.3 to reduce noise and artifacts. Then, I'm activating features like Code Former, Restore Faces, Asymmetric Tiling. And after Detailer, and selecting Face and Person Modelers as the model, and I'm very close to creating my artwork. These settings are like a painter choosing their brush and paint. Don't rush, you are in control here. I'm showing you the way, but you can find your own path and shape your studio. A painting begins with words. We don't say draw to Stable Diffusion, we tell it a story. Now, let's design our scene. My prompt is Caravaggio-style oil painting texture. This is not just a style, but also a textural directive. We are telling artificial intelligence to paint not just like Caravaggio, but with Caravaggio texture. Atmospheric, dimly lit tavern interior, not just a place, but also an atmospheric scene. Dim light, tavern interior, these add depth and story to the painting. The viewer sees not just a face, but a moment. Dramatic chiaroscuro, impasto brush strokes, realistic figures, intense argument, angry expressions, strong emotions, dark background, spotlight effect, rich shadows, high contrast, detailed composition, warm earthy color palette, rich and deep colors. Your words are your brushes. If you say oil painting texture, you will feel those layers on the canvas. With natural play of light, shadows dance. I'm clarifying facial features, sharp cheekbones, melancholic eyes. These are emotional details. Sharp cheekbones add a strong expression, while melancholic eyes add a sad mood. Our painting should not only be beautiful, but also emotionally impactful. In this way, word analysis emphasizes that prompt writing is not just a technical task, but also a form of artistic expression. Background, ornate dimly lit tavern interior. As for the negative prompt, cartoonish, pixelated, flat colors, these are modern viruses, they cannot spoil our classic spirit. This is not a formula, but an effect. You are summoning the soul of the painting with your words. Experiment, add your own words, see the difference. Now I'm opening Control Net. I want to fully capture the Caravaggio effect in colors, especially in texture. I'm working with tile. I'm zooming in on the textures. I want to see the silky color transition of velvet fabric. And now, press render to let Stable Diffusion turn our scene into a work of art. Since I added too many features, this may take some time. Maybe it's time for a coffee break? This painting is now yours. You can hang it in an art gallery. It looks great as a digital print. Add it to your personal portfolio or use it in an advertising campaign. Imagine it as the vintage face of a coffee brand. Share it on social media. Say, "This is my work." Your viewers will admire it. Your business partners will be impressed. If I were you, I would even turn this into an NFT project. We drew a painting, but this is just the beginning. We have reborn classical art in the digital world. Our brushes were words, our canvas was artificial intelligence. What do you think? Write in the comments. If you make your own paintings, show me. Let's examine them together. In the next video, I will reveal another art secret. Stay tuned. For now, may the art be with you.